Hey guys, Mr. Thibodeau here. I feel like we've already talked about this a little bit, but lesson 91, effective scaling on perimeter area and volume. Okay, so there is a ratio that creates the scale factor. Now this does not create a solid line if we were to graph it, but it does create a ratio. Okay, so here we have a bunch of squares. And as the numbers are going up by 1 over here, we're seeing that these numbers are going up exponentially. Okay, so 2 times 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared. What do we think the next one's going to be? 5 squared. Okay, so that is going to be an exponential growth. Okay. So, over here, Irene's replica will have 1/3 the linear dimensions of the original window, and 1/3 squared, or 1/9 the area. We multiply the amount of glass in the original windows by the square of the scale factor to find the amount of glass Irene will use. Okay, so by figuring out how much smaller it is and squaring it, not multiplying it. Well, I mean, I guess you're multiplying it, but you will get the new area, okay, which you can then multiply through here. Okay, this is I think, let's see, where did we do it back? A while back we did something similar to this, where we did was it this one? Ah, this guy here, I think. Oh well. Oh, it was this guy. So it's very similar to what we did here, right? Where it's 1/3 of the area, but we didn't just go ahead and divide it by 1/3, but instead we had to, when we did it, we didn't just divide it by 1/10 or times it by 1/10, but instead we ended up timesing it by, what was it, 1/100th, 1,000th? 1,000th, okay? And in order to get 135 centimeters cubed. Because we had to set up 110 times 110 and then do that, okay? So it's similar sort of stuff as what we're doing there. So finding out that. Now consider the perimeter of the replica. Okay, same deal. We still use the 1/3 this time. We don't have to square it. So just 1/3 times 240. Okay. There's a few different ways to do this. Okay, I'm going to do the practice set for you so you can watch and follow along on that. But I think you guys should be okay. This should be enough of a review. But if you get confused, just go ahead and watch the practice set video. The written practice I'm asking you guys to do this time is going to just be 1 through 25 odd. Okay. Have a good one, my dudes.